Everyone, it's Caitlin. We're currently at Eaton Canyon in Altadena at the foothills of the San Gabriel Mountains. The San Gabriel mountain ranges have a strike-slip fault line called the San Gabriel Fault, which runs about 87 miles southeastward. The relatively young mountain ranges were formed due to tectonic plate movements, which caused earthquakes and faulting, causing the mountains to form. Some of the main geological features include steep slopes, sharp ridges, small streams, and a 40-foot waterfall. The canyon itself has an elevation change of about 375 feet, and this canyon was formed due to years of weathering and mass wasting in the San Gabriel Mountains.
The San Gabriel Mountains are transverse mountain ranges. This means that these steep mountains were formed by tectonic forces. The San Gabriel Mountains are some of the most rapidly uplifting and eroding mountains in the United States. These mountains are mainly made of igneous and metamorphic rocks. These are formed when magma cools and hardens.
In today's video, we're going to be talking about the rock cycle and the water cycle. And I'm going to go ahead and pass it to Jaime so he can go ahead and further explain that for you guys.
Hi guys, my name is Jaime Calles, and I'm here to talk about the water cycle here in Eaton Canyon. As you can see over here, these are the water beds that flow around the trail all the way over there, which is the first step into the water cycle. These waters over here evaporate into the sky, causing cloud formations. These cloud formations carry large amounts of water, which cause precipitation into the 40-foot mountaintop over there, as you can see over there. Which is a good example of water cycle here in Eaton Canyon.
Firstly, we're going to talk about the water cycle and how it affects the mountain ranges and the communities around it. The water cycle starts with water evaporating from streams. It creates condensation in which it turns into heavy clouds which pours down rain. This process is called precipitation, which causes runoff down the mountain slides and down back into a collected body of water such as streams or rivers.
The water cycle often causes mass wasting events in these mountain ranges, which causes rockfalls, mudflows, and other forms of mass wasting. This shapes and weathers the mountains down, and can create many geographic features such as canyons and waterfalls, for instance. Jaime is going to come on here and explain a few of the rocks we found walking along the trail.
The reason why this rock is much more smoother than this rock over here, Mount Wilson, is because the process of mass wasting. Mass waste, for the reason is that the more the rock travels, the more smoother each side gets, which clearly this rock right here, Mount Wilson, hasn't been traveling as far as this one, which they're both classified as igneous rocks, but they both have different characteristics that sets them apart from each other.
Some of the most common rocks are minerals in the area are igneous and metamorphic rocks. Here is a few rocks we found along the way. They are mainly igneous and metamorphic, as mentioned before, and they are also granitic. You might also notice a few rocks with a reddish brown color like rust. This is called feldspar. This is due to the rock's potassium content.
This is Stephanie. So we just came back from our trip at Eaton Canyon. So in conclusion, Eaton Canyon Falls has been an amazing adventure. We have learned geological locations such as the mountain ranges of San Gabriel Mountains, its fault line, geological features such as the canyon itself and the infamous waterfall. We have also learned about the different types of rocks and minerals present in the San Gabriel Mountains. The most common types of rocks are the igneous and metamorphic rocks. If you would like to visit Eaton Canyon, we would highly recommend you to do so. It's a worth it trip.
Thank you so much for watching our trip to Eaton Canyon. Bye, guys.